It has been 24 hours since I got mugged, and I still haven't been to the embassy. They were closed yesterday because of Lebanon's Independence Day. But right now, instead of going to the embassy, we need to get cash. I didn't bring enough cash with me on the airplane, so the only way that we have the ability to get more money is to sell cryptocurrency. If you're gonna come to Lebanon, I highly recommend you get at least $300 worth of cryptocurrency in your own wallet so that if you run into problems like this, you can still have access to cash. It's really easy to exchange cryptocurrency about, but the cryptocurrency that you're gonna want is called Tether, USDT. The app that we're gonna use to place the order is called WK Beast Official. It's on the Play Store, it's on the App Store. It's fantastic. You just come up here, you put your phone number in there, and you say how much you wanna sell, and they're gonna send a driver to you. They only do this in increments of 100, so you have to sell at least 100 Tether, but super convenient because they will send a driver right to your door with cash in hand. After you've made your order in the app, they're gonna send a driver out here, and then you'll just exchange the cryptocurrency and he'll hand you the cash in person. Keep in mind, if you're using something like Coinbase, Coinbase only lets you buy cryptocurrency with bank account transactions, and those take like 1 to 3 days to process. So you want to have the cryptocurrency before you need the cryptocurrency. So the driver showed up right now, and you can see he's got his little motorcycle, he's got all of the things that he needs. Now we're gonna open up our app, we're gonna exchange cryptocurrency, and I should get cash from this. Okay, we got cash, now we're gonna go exchange this for currency. We have money again, we are liquid. Got $100 in cash, and we exchanged that for Lebanese lira. And then I spent $25 on a much bigger battery bank than the one that I bought yesterday. This is 20,000 milliamp hours. I got a quick charge USB thing with 2 USB ports and another longer cable. So this should keep my electricity needs fixed for the next while. Now we're gonna test all of these components using this voltmeter to make sure that they actually are providing as much power as they say that they are, and that this does actually do a quick charge. The first thing we're gonna test is we're gonna test the wall outlet right here. So we plug that in. This is just a regular USB cable, and then it's got a USB-C port right here. We're going to connect that to this guy right here. This is just USB-C as well. We can see that when we plug that into the phone, we are getting maybe 7.5 watts of power. So definitely not fast charging, but it's not slow, so I guess that's fine. What I really want to know is how quickly can this charge my phone? I spot this specifically because it says it has USB power delivery. This is what we're going to test next. With this plugged in using the same cable, we can see that we are reading the same amount of power. So this is no different from the wall outlet. Now let's try this with the USB-C to USB-C cable right here. And look at that, with this new cable, we are getting 9 volts at 2 amps. So that's like 18 watts. That's more than twice as fast as using the other cable. This battery pack works. This battery pack has 2 USB ports and a Type-C connector. So I can charge 3 devices at once with this. And I can charge this battery pack using Type-C or micro USB. So I have lots of options for charging it. It has a digital readout showing how much battery power it has left. Like, honestly, super happy with this purchase. This is a good battery pack. The only thing left to test is to charge this up to full and then completely discharge it and measure how much electricity it uses. We want to find out what the capacity of this actually is. It says it's 20,000 milliamp hours, but I want to see. Got a chicken burger, fries, chicken, coleslaw. It's a great meal. This is really good chicken. Okay, so I have money, I have a roof over my head, I have my electricity needs met. The only 2 things I have to worry about now are my passport and my vaccination card, both of which got stolen. I'm trying to get a new vaccination card from the pharmacy that I got vaccinated at, but I'm not actually sure if they can even send that to me, like if a photocopy will work. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to prove that I am vaccinated once I get to Greece. I used the phone from the hotel. I went downstairs and actually called the embassy directly. They're still closed today. But I was able to talk to a person. They told me to send an email and they'll push the email through. So tomorrow I'm going to call them every fucking hour because I know that once Thanksgiving hits, my chances of getting this is so frustrating. And it looks like there is a possibility that the passport that they'll give me won't even be valid in Greece. It will only take me back to the United States, which sucks because I don't have a house in the United States. So I really hope that I can get to Greece.